longitude, which is 125 minus 5 to give us 118. Then use 15 to divide 118. 118 divided by 12 will give us, divide by 15 will give us 7. 7 times 15 is 105. 105 minus 180 will give us 13. 13 times 4 minutes is equal to 52 minutes. So we now have 7 hours 52 minutes. We minus 7 hours 52 minutes from the what we now have is 11 hours. If you subtract anti-clockwise, if you subtract 7 hours, we now have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So still remaining, since it's still remaining 52 minutes, we now subtract 1 hour from 52 minutes, which will now be left with 11 hours 8 minutes. So that is 11 hours 11 minutes after 8 a.m. in the morning. Example: a football match is to be played on Sunday in New Zealand, 150 degrees east, between the host country and Nigeria, 15 degrees east. If the match is to be televised live, at what time should Nigeria tune in their television set to watch it kick off, scheduled for 4 a.m. in New Zealand? Solution: the longitude of Nigeria from the prime meridian 00 is 15 degrees east, while the longitude of New Zealand from the prime meridian 00 is 150 degrees east. Since both have the same longitude, we now have 150 minus 15 to give us 135. And we divide 135 by 15, which gives us 9 hours. Since the original time given us in New Zealand was 16 or 4 hours, 4 p.m. So since 4 p.m. is 16 hours, we now subtract 9 hours from 16 hours, which we now have 7 a.m. in the morning. Or let's have it like we draw the clock. We now subtract 9 hours from 10, because it was given 4 p.m. So if we subtract from 4 p.m. a.m. in the morning, we now subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 9 is at 7. So that is how we got 7 hours, 7 a.m. in the morning. Example: if the time in Accra 0 degree is 5 p.m., what will be the time at A. Fairtown 30 degree west, B. Monrovia 60 degree, C. Kanaking 90 degrees? Solution: since the longitude of Accra is 0 degree from Fairtown, which is 30 degrees, we subtract 30 from 0 to give us 30. Then we divide 30 by 15 to give us 2 hours. Then subtract 5 from 2 hours, which is 1 hour. Then the Kanaking is Accra is 0 degrees east to Kanaking 90 degree. We subtract 90 degree from 0, which will give us 90. Then we divide by 15, which will give us, if you divide 90 by 15, which is 4, you subtract 6 from 15 times 6 will give us 90. And subtract 6 from the 5 minutes. We now have 4, 5, 6. We now have 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 1, 12, 11. You stop at 11, so the time is 11 a.m. East. If the time at Lagos 10 degrees east is 8 a.m., what will be the time at A, Olo 60 degrees, B, Abuja 105 degrees east, C, Calabar 122 degrees east? From the prime meridian to Lagos 10 degrees east is 8 a.m. While from the prime meridian to Olo, which is 60 degrees east, we now subtract, since the two are coming from the same east, we subtract 60 from 10 to have 50. We use 50, we divide 50 by 15, which we now have 3 times 15 is 45. 45 minus 50 will remain 5. So we use 5 times 4 minutes to give us 20 minutes. So we now have 3 hours, 20 minutes. We subtract 3 hours, 20 minutes from the original time in Lagos, 8 a.m., which is 11:20. Then, to get the time at Abuja, since the longitude of Lagos from the prime meridian 00 is 10 degrees east, the longitude of Abuja from the prime meridian is 105 degrees east. We subtract 105 degrees from 10 to give us 95. We use 15 to divide 95. We divide 95 by 15, which you now have 6. 6 times 5 will give us 90. 95 minus 90 is give us 5. 5 times 4. We use 5 and times 4 to give us 20 minutes. We now have 6 hours, 20 minutes. We remove the original from the original time of Lagos, 8 p.m., which is 6 minus 20, 8 p.m. minus 6:20, 8 a.m. minus 6:20, which will give us 14 hours, 20 minutes, which is 2 p.m. in the morning.